Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube, Cheds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to look at the CCI, or Commodity Channel Index. You can go to TradingView, click on Indicators, go to Technicals, and you'll scroll down and you'll find the Commodity Channel Index, or CCI. Here is a brief overview of how it's calculated. As always, you can pause and read this at your leisure, but let's talk about it. What is the CCI? Well, it's similar to some other indicators you might already know. It's similar to the RSI. It's similar to stochastic RSI, the MACD. It's a momentum oscillator. It oscillates up and down. It does not have a fixed upper and lower limit, so it's not bounded. But essentially, it shows the variation of the price from the typical price. And it essentially measures the typical price by taking a periodic high, a periodic low, and the periodic close, and it divides it by 3. And it comes up with this value here. So what do you do with it, or what can you do with it? Well, we have readings of plus 100 as being overbought, and readings of minus 100 as oversold. So in theory, you can use a drop below 100 as a sell signal and a drop above or a rise above 100 as a buy signal. And then in theory, your exiting would be when the price comes back into the neutral territory, which is between 100 and negative 100. You can also use a center point as well, like some of these other centered oscillators, a break above or a break below. Again, I do recommend using some type of a filter, especially in this indicator, some type of a filter around the 0 line, maybe a plus 5 to minus 5 or a plus 10 to minus 10. You can also look at major peaks and troughs. So major peaks and troughs in the overbought and oversold territory as triggers for a trade. Now, again, I don't recommend using oscillators to generate trade ideas. You want all of your trade ideas to come from what the price itself is doing in relation to major support and resistance levels. But you should at least understand what this indicator is, what this oscillator does. And in theory, you should use it to confirm the trend. You can use these oscillators for buy and sell signals. I don't recommend, but you can do that. But more so, you want to make sure this confirms what the trend is doing. So you'll find divergences, unsupported highs, unsupported lows, that type of thing. It's very similar to MACD, RSI, but at least now you have a sense of what it is. The CCI, the Commodity Channel Index. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube, Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you. I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.